Hello dear fans. How the deserts appeared. Deserts are usually called geographic areas in which less than 200 millimeters of precipitation falls during the year. Deserts also have extremely dry air and high average monthly temperatures. These are well-known facts. But few people know how the formation of deserts took place. Deserts were formed due to the uneven distribution of moisture and heat. Above the equator, the air heats up more and rises. In the process, it cools down, which leads to the loss of a large amount of moisture. It's just that moisture falls on the ground in the form of rainfall, tropical showers. It turns out that in the upper atmosphere, equatorial air is distributed to the north and south. After a while, air masses descend to the surface of the Earth, which is very hot. But there is no moisture in these masses anymore. A similar cycle of air masses occurs throughout the year. Because of this cycle, the air becomes very hot. That is why the average temperature in the desert in summer reaches 40 degrees in the shade. Sometimes it rises to almost 60 degrees Celsius. As for the soil surface, it can heat up to 80 degrees Celsius and maintain this temperature for a long time. Desert precipitation is extremely rare, and even then it is mostly heavy rainfall. It's just that light precipitation cannot reach the surface of the Earth. Due to the high temperature, water evaporates while still in the air. The driest regions of our planet can be considered the deserts of South America. For example, the Pacific coast receives only 1 millimeter of precipitation per year. This is too little. Well, in the valley of the Nile River, for the last 4 years, there has not been a single rain. These are the natural anomalies. Most often, precipitation occurs in deserts in spring and winter. But in some, precipitation occurs in the summer. In the evening, the sun goes down the horizon and the air temperature in the deserts drops by an average of 30 degrees. If we talk about the soil, then during the day it heats up much stronger than air. But the cooling of the soil is faster. In the morning, dew may appear on the surface. And in winter, deserts are covered with a fairly thick layer of frost. Deserts can arise not only in the subtropics, but also in the temperate zone in especially arid areas. This refers to Central Asia. It receives about 200 millimeters of precipitation per year. Although the amount of precipitation may be less, constant air circulation and specific geographic conditions have led to the formation of a desert zone south and north of the equator. Most of the deserts are surrounded by mountain ranges. By the way, it is the mountains that supply the deserts with water. Rivers flow down the slopes and irrigate the foothill plains. Then they completely disappear into the sands. Thanks for watching.